So today I am taking a tour. No trip to Scotland would be complete without a tour of the countryside. So the tour today is to Glencoe, the Loch Ness. Everybody should know if you haven't heard of the Loch Ness Monster. So we're going to Loch Ness and the Scottish Highlands. Right now we have made a quick stop at Loch Lomond, and this is stunning. This is what I came for. It's an edit I want. So how gorgeous is this? Don't expect to see any sun today. The sun is not coming out in Scotland today. To the bus, just in case they're wondering where I am, it's a 20-minute stop. But this is Loch, no, he says it's not Loch, it is Loch Lomond. Loch Lomond. And it is beautiful. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start.